Go, but you need to make it.
And I'm much harder.
Ayusin mo kasi yung kaninang ginawa mo.
Oh.
Go, oy, stand up. Nagawa mo sa akin eh. Oy! Sige na. Not under, over it.
I tried to, and then went inside.
Go on the side, yung ginawa mo kanina.
It was not kanina. It was before.
Yeah, before, kanina, go. Ayan, it's getting close. Closer, bilis. Lapit ka pa. No, lapit pa. Pag ikaw nabalian ha. Go shoot it.
Too high.
Hindi. Nagawa mo nga kanina eh. Yun. Go. It almost went in.
High.
Use two hands.
I did.
Not backwards.
I did the high trick.
Oy! Go! Dito ka sa side. Yung kaninang ginawa mo. Go. Tapos off the board. Please.
What's the off the board?
You made it hit the board and then it went in. Layo eh. Mukha mo yung bola, Benjoy.
Huh?
Nothing. Go, shoot it. Bilog na bilog eh. Go. Yan, one more. Tangin mo.
Gago.
No. Oh, yung kotse.
That's too far.
Sige na, go. Ayusin mo kasi. Kaya mo naman i-shoot eh. Go. Kaya mo naman yan. Ayusin mo na kasi. Bilis. That was under.
I tried.
Don't shoot it backwards kasi.
It hit my face.
Tuntua ka pa. Ayan, go. Not backwards. Ayan, hindi mo makita eh. Go.
How I know?
Not, yan. Go. Not backwards. Oh, yeah. Buti pa pag nakatalikod, mas malapit pa yung ano eh. Sige na, I'll go. Let me try.
Okay.
Oh, get the ball. Oh,
You're too far.
watch out.